Ditty Islands Delight, the sweet potato pie. I'm not a food critic like the Mr. Lee guy you see on social media, but I know good food when I see it, right? Okay. First and foremost, let's comment on the package. The package is good, very presentable, okay? Okay, cake look nice, good. Let me see what I want. Very good. Kind of bring me back home, you know what I mean? Home away from home, yeah. So I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, Ditty Island, the thing shot. Don't have the Jamaican in me, you see that? Thank you very much, I like it. We'll be buying again, okay? Check her out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, everything. Thank you.